Shruti Lohaj again, and welcome to my channel Serene Attitude. And first of all, I'm gonna say thanks to you guys for 100 subscribers. And you must be thinking, just 100 subscribers, nothing. But no, I'm gonna be still grateful for you, and that means a lot to me. And one day, I'm gonna say thank you guys for 1 million subscribers. Yeah. So today I'm gonna make a vlog, and let's do it. Back. Okay. So अभी मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ? Okay. I'm gonna make a hair mask today, and I try to use this hair mask like once in a 2 weeks, or like sometimes once in a week. It depends when I get time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I make my hair mask, and I hope you're gonna like it, and just give it a try and you're gonna love it. Okay, for this hair mask we use banana, egg, lemon, honey and almond oil, and sometimes I use yogurt as well. Mask is ready, so I'm just gonna keep it aside for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna apply it. So I'm thinking, why not should I make Nimbu Pani? And I love Nimbu Pani. Okay, so Nimbu Pani is ready. I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna show you around, and let's go. This is our garage. It's not garage, it's like a storehouse kind of thing. Do you hear the birds? I just like it. Look at these cotton candies. These are my favorites. A lot of people ask me, why you just live in like a townhouse? People call it townhouse, but I just love this house. Like, you have the backyard, see, all greenery, like it's kind of jungle here. We have houses behind it, but it's like you cannot see them. You know what? That's why I just love this place. I'm not that kind of person just like who likes to live in a like city. I like the city, I will not say that, but not like apartments, like you're living in the top floor, you're not able to see the greenery. No, I just want to feel the greenery. I just want to feel like the plants. That's my baby. And that's the front side of my home. So it's like a duplex. It looks like one full house or like a whole house from the front, but it's just like half. You see the lining here? That divides the house. These are our neighbors. And that's our house. Look at this neighborhood, how quiet it is. I see no one here. We just see cars, that's it. Look, no one, not a single one. So, this is my balcony, a little bit messed up, but sometimes we just like to sit outside and we do exercise on these machines. But I just love to sit here sometimes. Hi! So today I just showed you around my home and how my neighbor would look like. And I just love this place. I just love the wood. I just love these walls. I just love the greenery. And that's why I just feel home here, you know. I just love it. I just love the clouds. I just like to watch the clouds. These are like cotton candies. And these things make this place alive. I like driving cars. That's my hobby. But at the same time, I just like watching trees. That's my habit since childhood. I'm like that. I used to just stare the leaves of the trees, and I used to think, I used to observe each and every single leaves whenever I used to go to my grandmom's home, and it feels great. It feels so great. Try to do that. Just try to observe things around you, and you will see it, how it feels, how the wind is blowing, and it's beautiful. I'm this kind of person. I just like it. I like to observe things. I like to appreciate them, how beautiful it is. I like flowers. I like green leaves, these small flowers, even on the grass. I just love the grass as well. Yeah. So today I want to discuss something with you guys. I know what's going on around the world right now. I just feel like everyone is running, and still people not happy. Try to read books as much as possible. Everyone, we should read books, because the more we read books, and personally I read spiritual books like meditation, energy, mind, how does it work. I just love this kind of things. And whatever happens in my life, I will get up again and I'll find myself again. And I started reading books because my friend, they were reading books. My roommate, she was reading books. So they were always keep on telling me, just read books. And I was like, I cannot even read a paragraph. I can read my I can read my course books, my studies. I can study for long hours, but I couldn't read a paragraph for that is not relevant to me, my course or studies or anything. So I was but I just started reading books on Kindle, on my phone, and it just changed my life. It changed my life completely. I became more aware. I became more aware of my energy, what kind of energy I'm radiating, what kind of energy I'm giving to people. And it's not that you will be saint after reading these books and no, life mein acha ho jayega. No, it's not like that. But at least you will have that confidence in you that whatever happens in your life, you're gonna fix it. You can fix it. So meditation or spiritual books are I can say the weapon or tool in your life that can fix everything. I'm not saying it's gonna fix your problem this. No, it's not gonna do that. But it's gonna, because everything works with the mind, okay? Everything goes in our mind. If you just change the mind, if you change the thoughts and the energy, everything changes. Just try to shift your awareness from one point to other point. You will see the difference, what I'm talking about. So just try to read books as much as possible and try to meditate at least see, I'm not gonna say like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No, it doesn't work. If I tell you that you're gonna be healthy, you're gonna lose weight after just eating one carrot like once a week, no, it's not gonna work, right? You know that you have to change your whole diet plan, and you have to work out, and you have to do many other things, right? Walk, maybe jogging. There are many things are there. That's how it works in spirituality as well. If you want to just keep your mind healthy, your energy healthy, and your thoughts should be healthy, then what you have to do is like start doing meditation from today, from now. So that's how we can change our life. I'm still working on myself. I'm happy in my place. I'm growing every day. I'm learning every day. But it's not like that. कोई भी perfect नहीं, right? No one's perfect in this world. So we have to just like work on ourselves and just try to meditate. Meditation gonna change your life. Believe me. Even with your career. And I'm a really big believer of The Secret. You know The Secret movie, right? If you don't know, I'm gonna like post a link of that Secret movie in my description box. So The Secret movie teaches you how you can get everything in your life. But whatever you're desiring for and whatever is your goal, your actions should match. Your actions should match with that particular goal. If it doesn't match, let's say you just like desiring for like a good body, or maybe a healthy body, or anything, or maybe you'll think you want to learn driving, and if you're not like getting into the car, and you're not like going on the road, or maybe like asking someone's help, how are you gonna drive? No, right? And the same thing goes with if you want to lose weight and you're not eating healthy food, and you're just eating burger, pizza, and all this things, then how are you gonna lose weight? So that's why I'm saying like your actions should match with your goals. And the day you're gonna start this thing, start working towards your goal, whatever you are writing down on the piece of paper, that was a word, I can bet it's gonna work. It's gonna work. One day I'm gonna share my story with you, like how like everything manifested in my life. It was like amazing. If you want something, and if you really want something, and you just like can imagine yourself like in your mind, and like you can just like be, oh, I already have it. If you feel it, it's gonna manifest, believe me. So first thing, just go watch The Secret movie. And I used to make notes on that movie too, you know what? And I was just posting those like secret laws like on my wall, and it helped me a lot. So whatever you want in your life, first you have to think about it. Just think about it today, okay? And then write your goals. I'm not saying just write too much goals in one piece of paper. No, you're gonna confuse the universe. No, you don't need to confuse the universe. You have to just write one single thing that what you want in your life. It's like maybe it's your relationship, your career, or something. But do not think negative about it. If you think negative about it, you just repel the universe. You just like repel that energy that is trying to give you that, and that is trying to manifest that particular thing in your life. So do not do that. Just think positive and start writing your goals on a piece of paper and work towards it. But your actions should speak. You know what? Not just like, okay, मैंने लिख लिया wall पे, अब let's see what universe gonna do for me. No, God is trying to help you. Just remember that God is trying to help you. Okay. So, but first we have to help ourselves. Then God is gonna help you. If you just like just relying on God, oh, God is gonna do magic in your life, or The Secret movie. No, it's not gonna work. You have to first help yourself. If you help yourself, God is gonna help you, and the universe is gonna manifest everything in your life.